Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm so glad you could join me. Today I'm sharing my last Christmas in July project that I made. I was in the mood to make gift tags, and Whimsy Stamps has some great products to make adorable gift tags. They have this really great gift tag die set and a Decorate a Tree die set, which is my absolute favorite die set from Whimsy Stamps, and the Evergreen tree set. So let's get started so that I can show you how quick and easy it is to make gift tags. The first thing I'm going to do is die cut 3 of the medium gift tags from KRAFT cardstock and 3 medium gift tags from white cardstock. Then I'm going to use one of the pieces of the decorated tree die set to make my trees for the gift tags, and I'll use this die to cut out the bows for the tops of the trees. I'm going to use the 6x6 tartan pattern paper pack. I'll pick out 3 different patterns that I want to use for the gift tags. As you can see, this paper pack gets a lot of use. It's one of my favorite paper packs that Whimsy Stamps has. Once I die cut those trees out, I'm going to die cut 3 of this evergreen tree right here. And I'm going to use the Christmas Eve pattern paper pack just to have a different look. So I pick 3 different patterns from this pack as well. And then I'm just going to die cut the trees. And then I die cut the bows from some gold cardstock. For my white tags, I wanted to add some texture to them, so I'm going to emboss the tags with the Slimline Holly embossing folder. I place the tag in the embossing folder. I'm using my Gemini Junior machine today, so the sandwich is going to be the cutting plate, the embossing folder, and another cutting plate on top, and then I just run it through my die cut machine. You can see how beautiful it embosses the tag. It just makes for a beautiful background, and I do this for all 3 of the tags. Once I embossed all of my tags, I realized you can't write on the back of the tags. So I went back and I die cut 3 more tags so that I can adhere them to the back of the tags so that you can write your greeting on the backs of them. And I do this for all 3 of the tags. Now I'm going to start to assemble the tags. I put foam tape on the back of all the trees, and then I just adhere the trees to the gift tags. I adhere all of the bows on the tops of the trees. And for the trees on the white gift tags, I wanted to add some confetti to look like ornaments. I have this really great confetti that I use from This Calls for Confetti. They have the most amazing confetti you'll ever see. So much to choose from. This one is called Inca Gold. You should really check out her website. I'll leave the link below for you in case you want to. Anyhow, I just randomly put them on the trees and adhered them with some glue. I think they look great with the confetti on them. It adds just enough shine to the tree to give it that little extra something. Now I'm going to heat emboss my sentiment onto some black cardstock. I prep my paper with my embossing powder bag. I'm using the Sentiment Assortment Merry Christmas. Lots of different sentiments to choose from. I'm going to use this one right here. I stamped the sentiment using Versamark ink, and then I just move my paper up and I stamp it again. I stamp it around 4 times just in case I don't like the way one comes out. Then I have an extra one even if I don't need it. I pour embossing powder on my paper. And then when my heat tool is good and hot, I heat emboss the sentiment. I trim all the sentiments down to size, and then I put foam tape on the back of them with a little bit of glue in case I need to move them around, and I adhere them on top of the tree. And that's basically it for these tags. I think they came out really nice and they were so simple to make. Now I'm going to do the sentiments for the other tags. I'm going to use the Merry Christmas from the Dragon Holiday Peekers because I like the exclamation point at the end of the Merry Christmas, but you could use the same one you used on the other tags. Make sure to use your embossing powder bag. I forgot to use it, but I got really lucky that the embossing powder only stuck to the sentiment. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to make an assembly line. You just stamp your sentiment and just keep changing the tag. You could whip tons of these tags out in no time. And then I just pour the gold embossing powder on them. And when my heat tool is good and hot, I heat emboss the sentiment. These tags are super quick and easy to make, and I think that they came out adorable. To finish off the tags, I put red ribbon on the white tags, and I put jute string on the KRAFT tags to give them more of like a rustic look. I think they came out really nice. They're super quick and easy to make. You could give them as gift sets if you wanted to. The KRAFT ones are my favorite. I like the simplicity of them. Well, that's going to complete my gift tag for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed my gift tags. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of them. We would love for you to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.